planner friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you subscribe, and if you've been here before, thanks for joining again. So what this month that I'm doing different is I am actually going to use these stickers that I bought because I went to Hobby Lobby, and of course I got sucked into the clearance section. And the sticker sheet was only 74 cents. And so, of course, I had to buy it. And in addition to this one, I think I have probably at least like 10 or 15 more. So I was like, I gotta use this. And I actually ended up doing this the same day because I am famous for buying stickers and then never using them. So I was really excited about this particular set of stickers because April is National Garden Month, and these are the perfect stickers for that. So what I did first was I whited out all of the different days because they were kind of in the middle of everything. And yeah, they're perfectly aligned because I did this on Excel. But they do take up space, valuable space, especially for a spread like this where I had those big quotes that I wanted to use. And I really should have whited out the April and 2021 and gone a different route, like tried to, I don't know, maybe hand letter it, even though my writing is not the greatest, or, do something with that because I would have been able to use the second big sticker that's part of the sticker pack. And that's actually the only one that I didn't use. So I used everything else on that sticker sheet except for the one really big quote. And it was really cute. It said "Home Tweet Home." So I kind of bummed that I didn't get to use it. And I'm not really sure if I'll ever be able to use it anywhere else, but we'll see. So then I went in and I used my washi to do what I usually do with my washi tape because this is something that I'm super comfortable with. I like outlining the different lines, the boxes for the month. And I think it brings just a little bit of color and it's not anything super complicated. And this is what I'm most comfortable with. And if you've watched my videos in the past, you know I'm not very comfortable as far as washi goes. But this is the one thing that I know I can do and it makes it look pretty cute. So that's what I end up going with here in this spread. And I know at this point in the video, it's a little bit hard to see exactly what I'm doing, in detail at least, because the sun is right outside my window. And I think I was recording this, it was like right around noon. So there's those couple of lines of sun that is peeking through my blinds. And I learned my lesson. I'm not going to record videos during the day anymore or at least during this time, because it just makes it really hard to see on camera and it gets really annoying. So the rest of that sticker sheet had a whole bunch of other little stickers, like little flower stickers. It had little birds singing. It had a couple of those gardening gloves that you see, and I placed one on each side. It also had like butterflies and some dragonflies and a couple of bees, stuff like that. So a whole bunch of fun garden related stuff. And here you can see me struggling trying to take those stickers off. They were so hard to peel off of that sticker sheet. It got to be a little ridiculous, but finally I wised up and grabbed my little X-Acto knife. And then I got this simple little sticker book from Walmart, and it had the days of the week, and they're on a white background with gold letters. So I really like that. But here you can see what I was talking about earlier, that Monday and Tuesday, I had to place it a little bit funky on the page and a little bit lower than where Sunday and Wednesday are because of that big sticker. So yeah, next time I have to do this again, I'm definitely gonna, try and erase the April or, the month and the year. That way I have more room. But overall, I don't think it's gonna bother me in the end. Even though I do look at the monthly spread pretty much every day, because that's where I have all of my really important events that I list there. So here it is. Here is the finished product. I used almost all the stickers, like I said, except for one. The only one I didn't use was another big quote, and there's just no place for it. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's plan with me, and I will see you in my next week's video.